Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download apps on an Asus laptop or even desktop. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, simple downloading tutorial right here first, okay? So go ahead and go to your search bar and type down Microsoft Store, okay? So go ahead and click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, if this is the first time you have logged in or opened up Microsoft Store, it's going to ask you to log in. So just go ahead and log in. All right. So once logged in, you'll be able to see your profile right here or account. So that basically means you're good to go and you're now free to download anything you want from here. Okay. So for example, we are trying to go to apps right here at the left panel. You'll be able to see Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, Snapchat. I think Facebook is available here. Discord here as well. And some other stuffs. Okay. So let's say, for example, I would like to download Facebook. So I'm going to click on Facebook and just click on install and then just wait for the process to finish. Okay. Now, if you want to download some more, you can go ahead and do so. Okay. For example, you'd like to download Instagram. So just click on it and click on install. And if you want to download some games, go ahead over to the gaming tab right here at the left panel. Click on it. And then just go ahead and find some games. For example, I have here Minecraft, okay? So it says here old. I can just easily click on install right here and then just hit on play. And as you can see here, I already have it installed. So if you want to find out what's happening about your downloads, just go ahead over to the bottom left, click on downloads right here. And as you can see, at the very bottom, you have Instagram, Facebook, or whatever. I have here ChatGPT as well. All right, so once that's done, just basically click on open right here, or you can go ahead and find each app through your search bar. For example, Facebook. Just type it down and you'll have the Facebook app in here. Just click on it, log in with your account, and enjoy scrolling, just like on Instagram. Okay, and there you have it. That is the simplest way to download apps on an Asus laptop. You could also go ahead and go to your favorite browser, and then just type down in the URL box, for example, you'd like to download CapCut. Just type it down right here, hit on enter, click on CapCut for desktop, and then just click on download for free. Now you'll be given a download page, so go ahead and save it wherever you want as well. And then just click on the installer right here. Okay. And then after that, just basically follow simple prompts and you now have a fresh app. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.